Missing the home button on your Chrome browser? Adding a customizable home button can save you time every single day. First, open Google Chrome and look for the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of your browser. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for Appearance in the left sidebar and click on it. This is where you'll find all the customization options for how Chrome looks. Under Appearance Settings, you'll see an option labeled Show Home Button. Toggle this switch to turn it on. The Home button will immediately appear next to your address bar, right before the search box. Now you have two options to choose from. If you select New Tab Page, clicking the Home button will open Chrome's default new tab. For a more personalized experience, select Enter Custom Web Address. This allows you to set any website as your home page. Let's say you want Facebook as your home page, so make sure to enter the complete address for best results. Let's test it out. Let me click the Home button to show you how it works. Perfect! Facebook opens instantly. No matter what page you're on, one click takes you straight to your chosen website. Now you know how to add and customize the Home button in Chrome. This simple feature can save you time and make browsing more efficient.